Okay, this is how we're gonna cook an egg. This is a raw egg, right out my refrigerator. Okay, we got it in a bowl of water. Okay, we're gonna put it in the microwave. Okay, let's see. Actually have an egg in here I'm fixing to cook. Let me take this out. This will be my amazing 1 minute egg. I was fixing to cook that one. I cook a lot of eggs around here, huh? Okay, we're gonna put it in the microwave. Put it in the microwave and we're gonna cook it for 5 minutes. Okay, now what we're gonna do is, I have another video on how I cook an egg in 1 minute. You just cover it, put it in the microwave. I got a video on exactly how I do it. So what you do is you put this in for 1 minute, okay? And then we're gonna let it sit for a couple of minutes, okay? In the water, we're gonna leave it in the microwave. Okay, now the microwave is on high. I do 5 minutes. Some people do 6 minutes, okay? These are fresh yard eggs, so the egg is kind of fresh. When they're fresh, they're hard to peel. I got these eggs. I raised chickens, so I got these eggs yesterday from my chickens. So I'm gonna see how the microwave is gonna come out. I cooked one already, and here is one right here, a boiled egg. It's like a boiled egg, out of the microwave. It's like a hard-boiled egg. Instead of putting it in on the stove, you can cook them in the microwave. Okay. Like I said, 5 minutes. The water will be boiling, and it'll cook the egg. And the trick is to let it sit. Okay. You let it sit for. We'll let it sit for maybe 2 minutes, and then we're gonna come back. Still got, 3 minutes left out of the 5. And I'm fixing to cook this egg. That's in another video. And if you want a quick egg and you don't want to put water on the stove and boil the water, put it in a bowl, and you want to cover it with about 1 inch of water. At least 1 inch of water. In a bowl that you can put in a microwave. And so we're almost there. So what we're gonna do is, I'm not gonna stay here until it counts all the way down. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna leave it until 5 minutes, which is another 2 minutes. I'm gonna let it sit for 2 minutes. Okay. And I'll come back and show you the egg. Okay, the egg was in the microwave for 5 minutes. And after the microwave stopped, I let it go another 2 minutes. Then I took it and I put it in. This is a coffee cup with some iced cold water in it. And it's been in here for about 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, and I don't know if I can peel this with one hand. Show you what it's gonna look like. I think it's the first time I ever tried to peel an egg with one hand. It's a good egg. Let me set the camera down, and I'm gonna peel it and cut it in half and show you. Okay, I peeled it. I cut it in half. Okay. Now I like my eggs like this. They're pretty good. So let's recap. You're 5 minutes in the microwave, covered in water. You leave it 2 minutes in the microwave after it's finished cooking. I put it in cold water to make it easier to peel. You don't have to, you can just let it cool down. and then I can touch it. And then you let it in the water, like I said, 2 minutes. So you're looking at what, 5, 7, you're looking at 8 minutes. And you got an egg out of the microwave. If you're in a place like, I know a truck driver that does this. He doesn't have the convenience of a stove, but he does have a microwave. And this is how he cooks his eggs. And that's where I got the idea from. Thanks for watching.